The quick answer to your question is yes, the Alpha Griller barbecue utensil set is dishwasher safe. However, they recommend that you hand wash them for longevity. Now watch the unboxing and the use of this set. This may be a dual unboxing. Let's see. Yes, it is. 2 boxes. Loosely wrapped paper. We have fire starters. And we have Alpha Grillers heavy duty barbecue set. I believe this is an ad. So this is to go with our Weber Master Touch grill. Obviously, if you've got a grill, you need to have the instruments to work it. We have a heavy duty stainless steel 4-piece barbecue steel set. Oh, look at that. I believe this whole box will come out. Yep. Like that. You can see we've got tongs. We have a fork with a plastic thingy to protect it. Fork you! We have a spatula with a protective thing on it. Looks like it has like a cutting edge here. So I guess if you want to eat into your burger to see if it's done enough. Feels like good quality. And finally, we've got the brusher for putting butter on your stuff, or your pasting or basting your sauce and stuff. Yeah, I think that's plenty hot enough. So we've got here Alpha Grillers stainless steel set. There's actually a set of 4, a spatula, there's tongs, there's also the brush, and then the fork. Try and center this on the coals. Like that. So that you get the heat. They're cooking. All right, let's set this. So this has also got a serrated edge for cutting. Yeah, I still need some time. So we checked that one, so let's check this one this time. I think that's good enough for me. You want yours cooked longer though, yeah?
And put that together. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
So it's better to use butter or something like that on the buns, not just throw them on like we did, but put butter on them. You get a better flavor. Put yours off. I'll put the lid up so you can melt the cheese faster. All right. White says, give me her burger.